Today we're doing tool haul number 2 from the second day of the 30% off at Harbor Freight after Christmas sale, and that's coming up next here on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, I went back for day 2 because I had a couple extra things I had to pick up that I didn't get yesterday. If you didn't see my video yesterday, I'll leave a card up above for you guys to check out. Yesterday I picked up nothing but icon stuff. Today I just picked up some odds and ends that I needed, and one, I got a project coming up, and part of that project sitting right there. I got a control arm to do on both sides of my car, and I needed a tool to do that. So let's go ahead and get started with the small stuff I picked up. And the first thing I picked up was some scissors from Quinn. If you guys know, I got my mini toolbox back here, hiding behind this Capri box right here, and I said I wanted to buy some scissors for it. Well, with 20% or 30% off of anything under $20, I went and I picked up a set of Quinn scissors to put in that toolbox there. Once I get that toolbox done, I'll do a toolbox tour. I already got a video done for this toolbox. I'm probably going to post that next week. But let's go ahead and talk about the deal I got on this. These scissors were normally $9.99, and I got them for $6.99 with a 30% off. Let's see what else I got. Tool number 2 that I picked up during this sale is the Quinn 10-inch self-adjusting pliers. If you guys know and follow the channel, you know I got the smaller ones, and I've been waiting for another sale for these to go on so I can get these to match the smaller ones to put in this toolbox here. Now with these were $10.99, and they came to $7.69 with the 30% off. I love these. These come in handy. I got the smaller ones, as I said, so I wanted the bigger ones to go with it, and that's why I picked them up. What better time with the 30% off to get these? And now the last thing I got, let's go ahead and take a look. All right, and the last tool that I got here that I picked up because of having to do this control arm, I also got to change the steering knuckle too. So I went and bought the Pittsburgh 3/4 forged ball joint separator. This was $20. It was $19.99, and I ended up getting it for $13.99 with the 30% off. Basically, I'm going to use this to take the tie rod end off, and also the ball joint, because I got to do the steering knuckle and the lower control arm. If I can't get them off as one piece, I want to separate them. And I figured what better time to buy this tool and try it out. I'm starting to get a little bit older, and I'm tired of swinging a big hammer trying to bust the tie rod ends and ball joints loose. I figured this would be a really nice tool to have to keep me from doing that now. Hopefully this works out good and it has a long life, because I got tie rod ends to do on other vehicles and stuff, and I really hope this works to make those jobs easier. So there you go. There was day number 2 tool haul of what I picked up today at Harbor Freight with my 30% off. I'm an Inside Track member, so it was $20 and under. If you're not an Inside Track member, I think it's $10 and under to get the 30% off. I would have bought more stuff, but got to do the adulting thing, and control arms are bad, ball joints bad, and I end up busting the ball joint bolt in the steering knuckle, and instead of drilling it out and messing with that, I just bought a new steering knuckle. So of course I had to take my Christmas bonus and mostly buy car parts with it. You know, got to do the adulting thing. So I didn't have as much money to buy for tools with this sale, but hopefully you guys can hit this sale up. Leave a comment down below. What did you pick up, or what are you going to pick up? So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there, I have affiliate links that do help out the channel. That helps me buy tools like this to do videos for you guys. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.